Let's bring out your duet partner. Together at last, it's wolf and sheep's clothing. Please welcome back, Knitting!
Knitting? Oh, I love knitting. Hi, Knitting! Oh, wow, look at that.
Come show me your kindness. In your arms I know I'll find this. Woman, don't you know with you I'm born again.
Give me your sweetness. Now there's you, there is no weakness. Lying safe within your arms, I'm born again.
I was half not whole, instead with none.
Reaching through this world in need of one.
Come show me your kindness.
Wow,
In your arms I know I'll find this.
Woman, don't you know with you I'm born again.
Lying safe with you, I'm born again.
Don't you know with you I'm born again. I was half not whole, instead with none. Reaching through this world
in need of
one. Come show me your kindness. In your arms I know I'll find this. Lying safe with you, I'm born again.
that's so sweet. I love that. It was absolutely incredible. And a proposal.
That was beautiful.
Wow.
Our first wedding.
It's the wool and the wolf. So good. I love that.
I'm literally like, that was like a Disney performance.
Let's make sure it is who we think it is. Take it off. 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 Of course it is. It's Claire Richards, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Oh my God, you look incredible. It's so
bless
nice.
you.
Oh, sorry, I forgot how warm these cuddles were.
I know.
They're so fantastic. How does it feel to be back?
It feels amazing to be back. You know I love this show.
Do you think you know who you've just duetted with?
I'm kind of thinking it's somebody late 80s, early 90s,
Yes,
like,
yes.
I don't know, Rick Astley or
No, Rick Astley's a good name.
legendary status.
I feel like it's got a legend
We
to it.
agree.
Thank you so much, Claire, for being here. You've been absolutely amazing.
Thank you so much for
Lovely
having
to have
me.
you back. Let's hear it again for Wolf and Claire Richards. You're amazing. After the break, we've got plenty more fish on the stage as pufferfish meets piranha. See you in a few. I'm going to swim away.